All right, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Bill Break and Fix. Um, yeah, that is funny. I got the link like really, really late, Zen. So not only, but anyway, we are a team of developers from Melbourne, Australia, and we've been working on a project which relates to adding persistent storage to a current open source project. And if you're curious what kind of stacks we're working on, we work on everything revolving Express.js, AWS, things like Postman, GitHub. Um, right now, we'll be working on a lot of front end and designing stuff, and it'll be really fun and I would say funny to watch because I don't think any three of us would be knowing a lot of it. That being said, that's the whole point of doing it, and we just want to go ahead and document it, and it's fun to do on stream rather than we do it on a Zoom call. So yeah, here we are. Do you guys have anything to add?
Yes, that was a really surprise and entry once again. So thanks for showing up uh, in in that way. That really actually
I
does
got the
surprise
link at
me.
like 9:31. So
Dude, just ask me where's the link.
all
Come
right.
on,
I
man.
thought you used to send it
It,
every day, but
it's about
that's fine.
communication from everyone. But that
Hmm.
yeah. But the best part is that we got there eventually, so which was good. And the reason why I actually laughed was because when I was trying to say welcome, and then you started, and I was like, okay, I need to stop now. So yeah, but anyway, first thing is first, I will do the acknowledgement of the country as well. That has to be done in the first point. So here we go in three, two, one, go. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet today, and pay my respects to their elders, past and present. I extend that respects. I extend that respect to Aboriginals and Torres Strait Islander peoples here today. Thank you.
Then just a little bit of correction. It's not Icelander, it's Islander. Like literally islands.
Island. Yeah.
Yes, all right. Yeah, I
Yeah,
needed that oh,
that's
because
all good.
I
Yeah.
s- s- because I kind of stopped a bit. I was thinking, am I really from London? Really?
Yeah, yeah. So
So
um
yeah, thanks for correcting me on that.
yeah, that's all good.
I'll just quickly go and do one really important thing. So I'll be right back, okay?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Be right back as well. Tanish, you handle the chat till then.
Yeah. All right. Who do we have here? Dev. Yeah. Was if you guys went on the stream yesterday, we were working on that problem we had from. Just share my screen. Oh, you guys changing your t-shirts.
R- Really forgot, and thanks to GagDev for actually reminding us about it. That was a real, as in a good reminder. So thanks a lot for that. Matt Coles, welcome. Really good to have you. It's been a long time, eh? How have you been? All
Hello.
right. Yeah,
Hey
he's
Gigdev, hey Matt, how's it going?
I love your hairstyle, by the way, Kay. Really unique.
I'm sure my Ceylon guy is gonna love it as well.
Yeah. That he will just cut it off.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, so I didn't get a chance to have a look at the link. Maybe we can do that part on the stream and see where we need correction.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Don't mind.
perfect. So do you want to share your screen?
Maybe if you can do that, that'll be helpful.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Before we start, please do welcome.
Uh,
We already did that, didn't we?
we already did that, didn't we?
Am I missing something?
Well, let's do it again. No problem. So
Yeah, sure.
here we go. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet today, and pay my respects to their elders, past and present. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples here today. Thank you.
Yeah, that's
Right.
pretty good. Nice.
Cool. So I would do this to now. No VS Code. That's the streaming blog thing. Need to open up the other one. Where is that workspace? And then Scrum enhancement. Boom. Here we go. Cool. Did you push the code yesterday, okay? Or
Yeah.
not?
Yeah, I was there.
Okay, I will just check out. What was the branch name again?
Can you do a git pull first and then do git branch?
I was on some other branch, so hang on a minute.
You're on main right now.
What am I doing?
Yeah,
Add
so-
heading.
Yeah, so you need to do git switch.
Which branch was it? Display board name or what? Which one?
Board heading things.
I don't have it, so yeah.
No, go up a little on the terminal. Yeah. Add board name heading. Copy that thing.
Add board name heading.
Just copy that and do git switch and write that. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, perfect. Alright, and I'll do a git pull now.
No, you already get pulled. It's fine. Be up to date.
Why am I thinking today? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna open up the link you sent me, and that was in. I can't do that, so I'll just open up Slack. Actually, I'll.
Do you not have your other screen? I can stop sharing your screen. Give me one. Oh, yeah.
I've
There you
done that.
Hello, Tori. Thank you, GetDev. Yep, thanks for recommending it to us. Welcome back, Tanesh. Tori says.
Oh, hey, Tori.
Okay, ready? Get set, go. Cool. Are you guys ready?
Mm-hmm. Full screen, please. Ooh, the quality. Can you increase the quality on your end?
I would. It's on HD at the moment, by the way.
Right. Okay, yeah, maybe when you start playing it becomes
Mm-hmm. Cool.
only so your sound doesn't come in.
It's not coming.
Maybe
is it?
let me share it only. I'll do that.
Alright, cool. I think that's because I'm using the headset, which is why.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, I'll keep opened. I'll keep VS Code opened, and you can do the thing.
My goodness, I did not know I could hide profile. I don't know what that means. Sorry. Okay, I hope it's clear, first of all, the quality.
Yeah, I think it's much better than mine.
Okay, I can try increasing it a little more. Okay, yeah, that's the highest we can
What do you
get.
think, Tanesh?
Yeah, it's clear. I can see it.
So we can consume this REST API called pixum.foros/list with fetch API. So in this case, this JSON API button has this button 3 ID. So we're gonna create this event listener. Get element by ID, and again, I'm gonna perform all these steps in this example since this is something new. So we're gonna load REST. This is going to be the name of the function. Prints the response from a REST API. It's going to be function load REST, and we're gonna fetch this URL. So we're gonna cut this and paste right here. So this is going to be the full response from the server, and we're gonna open the project. Then we're gonna add .10 again, and we're gonna execute a function. This is going to give a response, and again you can console log the response if you want. Click here on JSON API. You can see we have the response. And again, in the proto, you will see all the different methods that you can pass. In this case, we're going to use JSON. So we need to return this, return response as JSON. Then we're going to add a second then. So this is going to be actual data. So we're going to console log the data like this. And we're going to click here on JSON API. So now you can see this is going to return an array with 998 items. So from here we can add, for example, let HTML equals to single quotes. Then we're gonna use data, and this is going to be images, so you can also change this to images. Something like this will work also. And we're gonna add for each function, and we're going to pass print some of these into this HTML.
Are we getting what he's trying to say?
I think basically what he's trying to say is that if we want to access the JSON object, that we just have to access it from the response, as in response.json. Am I getting it right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Also, he's done like things with document.get element by ID, but right now our priority is to get the thing in JSON.
Yeah, true. So
Do you have VS Code open already?
I have already. So
Yeah, maybe you can keep switching from your screen to my screen and try doing it.
Yes. Dinesh, just a question. Are you able to control the as in the screens and things on on StreamYard or not?
I
No,
don't think so.
I can't.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. So I will go and add myself to it. All right. Basically, it's saying this is the get. We need the get board by day. Get notes. Get board. by ID. Okay. So I think what he's trying to say is that because we have here response.text, this can simply become response.json.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. and just try to console.log it honestly. Like, don't
Hmm.
even do remove the whole return um text thing.
So
Yeah,
what I'll just do is,
just console.log the thing.
yeah, console.log, and then what do we want to
Response.
console.log response? Cool.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. So now what I'll do is I need to check if my database is still the same. No, it shouldn't really matter. No. Alright, I will do that in the wrong folder. So
Hmm.
go to client, and then it would be Python simple HTTP server, boom. Alright, and then go to the go away. I'll come back to you in 1 hour. Okay. Ha ha ha.
It's fine. No, no, it won't work here. Yeah, go to install.
I know. It won't work here. Okay, undefined. Cool. That's fine.
You
So
have to
if I
click go.
env is not defined. Ah,
Is
did
the
we
environment
change it?
variable?
Yeah. Oh, right. Okay. I don't have the file. Just give
Hmm.
me a sec. I'll have to prepare the environment file and then
Hmm.
do that. And stop share. Now go back to my create a file.
Did you get the job yet, Tori? Oh yeah, Tori. Did you? How's the process going? And when do you plan to move back? So cold today, even though it's not raining for some reason. I don't
Yeah,
like it.
true.
Mm.
Yeah. It's October. It's meant to be
Mm.
better weather.
Yeah. And honestly, November is like proper summer, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
Mm.
I think it's December, January, February. Proper summer.
That's true. I really like Melbourne summer for sure.
Really? It's quite hot. Like,
It's better than being unpredictably rainy.
yeah, true.
But do you like the winter, Sanish?
Yeah, winter's good. Winter's real good.
Mm.
Better than summer, in my opinion. Just it's too hot, man. That's the
You
thing.
don't like the beach?
No, I do. That's the thing. It's
How do you like the beach in the winter?
yeah, you can't go to the beach in the winter, but
Yeah.
the beach in the summer.
Nice.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Nice.
Just getting the URL now. To be honest, initially I forgot how to do it. I was like,
Come to Bali.
saying, hurry up.
So Tori says, nope, not applying. But I applied to one recently because I know the
Bali.
engineering manager that I'll get an interview. Come to Bali.
Yeah, true. Bali's real nice. I've been there.
Oh, you have? Nice.
Yeah, once. Weather's very nice.
Much better. Oh, Tori, you're a viewer on this show, so not sure what's happening right there.
Okay, so I'm gonna
Yeah.
come back in action
Yeah.
by adding my screen, and this is where we are at the moment. I'll do this. And
That's my screen though.
what?
Yeah, I have the YouTube channel open. See, I mean this. Yo,
Oh,
you answered.
okay, cool. That's my fault. I
No
thought,
problem.
yeah, here we go.
Mhm.
There we go. And this is our front end. That's the URL. I already had the tab opened. Okay. Right.
Don't promise.
Promise rejected.
Okay,
Unexpected. Promise is being rejected. Interesting.
137.
What? No. No way. I thought I commented this line.
You're on post board
Yeah.
then, not get board. This function is post board.
Ah. Right. Yeah. Got it. Actually, I'll just do this.
Also,
Okay.
get might not work. Can you check the ID which you're giving to it? Maybe just do a postman and see
Mhm.
the ID.
Come on, dude. Tonight would be nice.
Yeah. Wait, which laptop do you have, Tanesh?
Mac as well. 2020.
Nice. That's pretty good. Oh, so same M1?
No, I decided to get the Intel one on purpose, like
Oh,
because
really?
I
Oh, yeah.
just liked Intel.
Compatibility?
Compatibility. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Which one do you have, Karthik?
I think we both have M1s.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, you're right. I did face a lot of compatibility issues, especially when I was doing things with Brew and Ruby. For some reason, that was just a big pain.
Mm.
Okay, so this is not doing.
Then check your endpoint. Might be the old one. Sometimes it happens. It automatically does it.
Right.
I'll stop
Okay.
sharing.
Yeah, if you can stop sharing and then I'll do it. Let me know when it's done.
It's done.
Cool. API.
Do you regret it, Tanesh, getting the Intel?
No, not really. I mean, I know there's the speed thing, right? It's not as fast. But no, it's pretty good. It's still quite fast.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure you paid the same amount of money though.
It's like $200 cheaper, which is not worth it really because. But
That's cool.
yeah, it's like
No, that's
a bit
good.
cheaper.
Yeah. I mean, I remember trying to get a VMware as well. There's no real virtual machine available for M1, so there's a lot of stuff which needs to come up. Yeah, what's
Alright.
up there?
Do you wanna share
Yeah.
my screen again?
Yeah, done that.
Yeah, you were right. That was the problem. So I'm just getting all boards now and see if there's any boards. Okay, cool. Right. So if we do this one over there,
I think it's the same one.
no, is it?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it was.
Is it the same? Yeah, it was. Okay, and then do a get request again. You hide. Go away.
I mean, nothing much really changed though. In that.
I just want to see the
Yeah.
error again though. That's
Yeah.
why. Do you wanna do this? Oh, why? I could have just seen the error from that side. Oh. If we posting the board here first.
Yeah.
And then yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Ignore me. Okay.
Okay, so that got console logged. If
Yeah.
you stop the stop the
Okay.
page from going to the next one, you can see
Yeah.
that it's actually working out. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so if you run it now, I mean, there's a workaround to it, really. Like, we can do something. But yeah. Yeah, so if you do it now,
What is so that's the response. Okay. So it does give us
yeah.
the response.
Yeah, so it's working. See, like 68, the last one. Click on board ID, down. Yeah. So it is giving the thing back.
Hmm. But the only thing isn't coming is the board name, which we want, isn't it?
I think that's line number 157. If I'm not wrong.
157.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh, that
go
one.
to undefined. Go back to the still front end. See line number 157. I think that's console.log board. That's what I remember.
156.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. So that was coming from
Go up a little. Yeah, so if you see on line 137, let board is equal to
what
that
I
thing.
get. Right, so we give it that one there, and then we give the board ID itself. Then it comes in here.
Hmm.
So should it in the response, it should give us everything, as in the name as well.
Yeah, go on body. It'll be in body. Click on body here.
Readable stream, log
Maybe
post.
prototype. I mean, you need to unparse the response, right? Then it'll give you the things. But it looks okay.
Status text is empty. We not.
No, that's just these are just headers for the response. The thing
Right.
will be in the body, that's all.
Right. So if it's not in the body, then it's not there.
I mean, it's there. It's there. We just need to access it, right? Like, um, we need to. I think we need to unparse kind of a thing. Like, because now we're sending it as a JSON object, not as a
But
normal object.
uh, but I would have thought that if we are actually accessing the entire board object, the name would already be present in the body here, and all we need to do is just access it.
Yeah, but like, remember how we parsed it? We did JSON.parse.
Uh-huh.
So now
Ah,
we need to, I
right.
think, yeah, maybe.
Jason. Go back to that video again, please.
Hmm?
Can you go back to the video? I just want to check how
We're
he's
gonna
actually.
resend.
Yeah.
And we're
Continue.
gonna compile right here. Close the.
Okay, that's
Turn
fine.
the print.
That's fine. So the part that we needed was until line 46.
Okay. Yeah.
That's all. And now what we probably need to do is we need to we already have the response.
Hmm.
We need to pass this response probably in response dot board name.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see. No,
And check
read
if
the
it
body form.
shows in that way.
Okay. Yeah, so someone's getting the same thing. Okay.
Is there a
All right.
reason
Okay.
it's
Hey, what was
shouldn't
that?
it show
Yeah.
in the body when you? Is there a reason it's not in the body?
So
It
in
is in the
this one,
body,
let
but
me see.
it's just not
All right.
processed. No, I sent you a thing, Sam, and Tanesh as well. The
Cool.
Stack Overflow link.
So response to then body. Here's my updated code. Response to text.
See this one, actually. This one looks better.
So response goes to response to let me just see you there, otherwise the response body will appear as locked readables. Alright. So essentially what we have to do is have two then statements there. One that returns the response and the other that actually reads the body of the response.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, everyone on the internet has done this. I'll send you this link as well.
Alright.
If you want me to. Yeah, I'll add your screen.
So then is this, we don't really need this part. Don't know why it's there. Function, okay. Then gonna just do a bit of readability thing here. There we go. Okay, and because this is done there, now we can have another then here, then function. This would be data, I guess.
I sent you the link, so you can probably have a look easier.
Alright, I'm gonna have to switch my screens, which is a bit of
Are you not using your other screen now?
I'm not.
Alright.
Can you hide my screen? I've got the, I
Yeah,
think, API URL there as well. There
Yeah,
we go.
done that.
Okay, back on again.
Yep, on there.
Thank you. Right, so in this one, we don't really need this function at all. We can just make it a arrow function.
Mm-hmm.
And response body, do this, and then console.response, and then remove this one as well, and then console.data probably.
Yeah. Yep.
Let's try what do we get from this geezer.
Jesus.
I miss my geezers now.
Who's a Giza?
Okay. So in the board
You are getting the board name, see?
Getting the board name.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Look at it.
It's on.
Bro,
Okay.
it's right there.
I know it's there, but I'm talking about we only want the board names, so we need to basically access this object.
Yeah, line number 155 is data.
So if we do data and then board name, then
Wait, is it data? Line number 155? Oh, wait, it's response. Sorry, my
Right.
bad.
If we do board name instead, board name.
I think you need to do body.board name. At least here. Yeah.
Come on, Zane. Are you drunk? Yes, a little bit.
Lockdown's opening up. So.
Huh?
Lockdown's opening up, so
Trust me, I cannot wait.
I can see the fire in Zane's eyes.
I'm
I
actually
wish we edit
done.
these videos. Like there could be so much funny content which could come out of this. Just like right now, if I could just put in fire inside Zane's eyes.
All right, let's do this. Come on, board namey baby, board namey baby.
Click on it again. Yeah.
On call, cannot read the property of undefined. Yeah, it's not in the body properly.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm hungry. Have you guys had dinner yet? No.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it was.
What did you guys have?
Pasta.
I just
What
had
about you?
chicken nuggets.
Nice. Nice,
Voila!
Nice.
But hang on, that's the board ID of 548B0.
That's from post board. The thing which got posted every time we do this.
Okay. So that means that we need to. Okay, so this would probably come in the functionality of when we want to get the board here, right? Only.
In the next page, yeah.
Yeah, true. Okay, so let's move on there. So because we are getting our board name now.
Yeah.
Will.
Have you done any certification on AWS, Tanish?
Yeah, I did the cloud practitioner one.
Nice.
Haven't done anything else. Yourself?
Return.
Yeah, I did dev. Well, how'd you find cloud practitioner?
Yeah, pretty alright. Not bad.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Yeah, even Tori's doing SA. When are you taking SA, Tori?
Zane's done essay, right? Actually.
Yeah, Zen, I think Tori has a question for you. What's the
Who's
one area?
Zane here? Who's Zane here?
You.
Who's Zane? Don't want to be Zane at the moment. If you had an essay question for me.
Yeah, I mean it's a very generic question. Just what area were you most surprised by?
I'm gonna take this. What area were you most surprised by? Right. So the area that I was actually most surprised by was the real detail that they insert in the scenarios. They actually throw you. They try their best to throw you off with really tiny detail. And if you actually can't catch those details, then you would 100% answer incorrectly. But if you can actually basically recognize that, okay, this detail doesn't have to do with this area of what they are trying to mention, then you'll just fly, mate. As in 100 by 100.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right, cool. So I've done that one. I've cleaned up the console's statement as well. I'm just gonna test it if it's working without the console statement. Expect boom. Here we go. There's your board ID is invalid.
Board name is invalid. Oh, you didn't give the board name, right?
Okay. I love.
Wait for it.
Right. This is okay because I returned it.
Oh
It's,
yeah,
it's
you
not
probably need to.
because I've
Yeah, yeah.
returned the thing here.
Maybe go on the next page now
Yeah,
after the post happens. That's the
which
get.
is
Not here.
not that one. Yeah, true.
I was gonna go to Devasu sheet, but I've heard most of the essay in 4 laps, so I'm just gonna do the first. Yeah, sure. Sounds a good plan. Line 55 is in.
Line 55. Cool. Alright, let's get this baby running.
Mhm.
Promise pending. Give me the board name. Rejected. It's on index, isn't it? So now we probably need to figure out how to get the board name
One
from.
time. It says file not found. Still front end. 137.
Hang on a minute. I must have messed up here somewhere.
Now, go on
This
still
is it.
front end 137.
Hmm.
Oh, this board isn't being used anywhere now.
Should be technically. I mean, honestly, the whole thing should come in the board. Click on the thing, the link. Yeah.
Fetch. For fetch.
Yeah, click on it.
Get file not found. Why is he giving us file not found? Ah, so this is indexed, isn't it?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Okay, can you please mute
Yeah.
your notification if you don't want to?
Yeah, it was just like a WhatsApp thing, so I
Thanks.
can just go ahead and close WhatsApp.
So that was index. So still front end probably has to be imported here for it to be able to access the board name,
It is.
which is
This is
there. Right. So that isn't coming up.
Guys, is there any particular reason you have it as undefined and then the board name? I mean the board ID. Sorry. Like the get request is the
Here?
yeah is yeah. Is there any particular reason for that?
I think it can't find the file. That's why. So here it should be
You know
still
what's happening?
something. What is it?
It's Tanisha just pointed out a really interesting fact.
Mhm.
It's assuming that this A here is a page itself, which it can't find the page here.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Makes sense.
Fair
Well
enough,
done,
yeah.
Finish. Right, okay. So we probably have to ignore, actually not ignore, but when we come from home.html to index.html, we will probably have to, as in, ignore this path here. As in,
Yeah.
it can still be there, but we're not doing anything with it. If that makes
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I'm just gonna go into board ID to get. So if that's okay, that won't be there. That was in the URL. which would no, it's not in there. It should be in index.html, and in the code that Dinesh did ages ago. Here we go. Cool.
Hmm.
Oh, okay, replace state.
I'm gonna get rid of this.
Yeah.
So the thing that's happening is over here. Here. So even if we have the URL, we wanna ignore it. Replace state.
Zain, I think this, from what I remember, this should just change it in the in the URL spot. Like it shouldn't, unless you guys added something in the mid or in the still front end, which grabs this part of.
So, sorry, can you repeat that? As in the relation between what this does and to what we are seeing here.
So what this does is it's gonna, once it's already stored the port name in the local storage, it will just basically replace the index.html with the port name that it's taken from the user's input. So what I'm trying to say is that if that's the case, then it shouldn't be in the GET request anyways, unless you guys have, is there something that you and Karthik added maybe in still front end that is taking is taking from this or taking from somewhere else?
Right.
Do you get what I mean?
I think you must be right over there, because the fact that when this page loads and it actually picks up this entire URL and tries to do something with that, there must be something here that we are trying to do with this URL.
Yep.
Right. Let's go down and have a look at board name. So what this does is gets ID, board ID to get, yeah. I remember that I was playing with it on Friday by myself, but
Yep.
I can't remember if I did submitted that change at all. Just bear with me. Just get actually, where's the H1 tag? I don't even have the H1 tag here.
There's a great library called Mock Service Cycle. Yeah, thanks, Tori. I'll look for sure. Oh, fun. Very thirsty.
Right. So how we could do this? Why is that trying to take this from here? Replace state. Data unused.
We can just Google what replace state does really.
Can we Zain, are you able to just like have a look, maybe console log the in still frontend.js, maybe console log that URL / board ID to get, like where it's saying the undefined, if you can console that. Maybe, yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Just have a look.
So I could. So the thing is that I can't console.log in this part because it won't allow us at all.
Okay.
So, but what I can do is come out of this. Actually, in that method, I can just do a console.log and this whole thing and see what this gives us. This is still front end. But then I'll have to comment out.
I'll be back. Give me 1 sec.
Cool.
Yep. Cool.
But then I'll have to comment out this part here. Okay. Let's try your approach. Okay, so this. Yeah, it doesn't really say anything of undefined in the URL itself, but I think the problem's becoming when it goes to the next page.
Yep.
Because the board ID, because the board name is being appended to the URL, is for some reason trying to read the URL and taking that as a file name. And
Yep.
then if it goes to, yep.
Yeah, I get what you mean. Yep, sorry. No, I was just thinking because it said earlier on the specific line. So I thought maybe this would be an approach we could just have a look.
Right. Yeah, that makes sense though completely, but apparently that's not the case over here. So
Yep.
let's just go back to where we were, and we don't need this anymore. Right. How about if I comment this, as in uncomment that one out as well? What does that do? Huh? What? No, don't need you. Go away.
Tori, I think we were using Socket.io. Are we still using that site?
We will be very near future.
Cool.
Do you know what's that for, Dinesh?
Not quite actually.
Right, so that's a kind of, say, a library, or I don't even know what to call it, but that's I would say a technology or framework, whatever, that enables users to use the same application same time, as in multiple users.
Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah, makes sense. Cool. The original Scrambler had it, right?
Yes, has it.
Has it?
All right, come on, baby, go. Show me some loving. Lol, it's not even going there now. And Zayn
Hello.
made a really silly mistakes. Welcome back, hey?
Hmm?
Good to have you.
Did you guys solve everything while I was gone?
Oh, yeah, man. Dinesh did a fantastic job, and all the functionality is finished. We're just doing beta testing now, and then
That's pretty good.
releasing it first thing tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow.
That's pretty nice. Good job.
No, man, still stuck on the same thing.
All right.
Hmm.
That's all good.
Nothing surprising, is it?
No, I did believe
didn't
you
look
guys.
He didn't look surprised.
Hmm.
Ah, interesting. That
Oh, yeah,
thing is
that's
gone
interesting.
now.
No error.
Wait, what'd you do, Zay?
To be honest, nothing. I just uncommented this part, as in the part that takes us to index.html, and basically
Yeah.
that's about it. Yeah, I don't know. It just works, so happy days. It's working. That's for mass.
Sounds like I
But you
keep
know,
doing stuff and it happens.
yeah.
But the
Alright.
name isn't coming yet, right? Or is it?
Yes, the name isn't coming, so we need to work on that one now.
Yeah.
So, index.html. So if I go back, so this response goes to, okay, when we get board by ID, that one gives us the name into front end, and in index is in points to front end. Yes, it is in points to front end. So what I'm thinking,
Hmm.
okay, did you get rid of the H1 tag here?
Yeah, probably. Oh wait, there was no H1 tag. Oh
There
yeah, I
was
probably
an
did.
H1 tag.
Yeah.
Alright, okay, cool. Let's just, for the sake of it,
Yeah.
do it over here. H1 tag, and then in the script, I can do document.getElement by ID.
You probably need to give it an ID then.
I was just going to. I
Mhm.
don't like this way of things. Actually, find board name.
Yeah, board heading, board name, whatever. Board
Okay.
heading would be familiar
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
because we have used board name a lot of times.
Yeah. True. True that. Perfect. So if I do this one over here,
Yeah.
board ID
Yep.
dot
Equal to. Yep.
inner.html, and then do
Get board ID by. Oh, get board by ID.
board by. I won't be able to do it.
Should be.
Let's try it. Get board by ID. Is that really the name? Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
I mean, you can try console logging it, but yeah, let's just try this for now. Go to Postman. Yep, copy it. Maybe make that a string though. It won't matter.
Huh?
Actually, it's fine. Shouldn't matter.
Should be fine.
Hmm.
Any. Alright. Let's give this baby a test.
Hmm.
See if it does show us some loving.
Hmm.
Come on, baby girl. Work for us. What? Okay, that's ignore that one.
Let's come back.
Cannot set property of null setting HTML. Interesting. Okay, so HTML apparently won't work. But that's actually come back as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm trying to see what we need to do with the Catalan by ID thing. Okay. Um.
Or we can do text. Check if this does anything.
I think you don't need to write inner HTML in that or inner text. You don't need to write any of that. Also, can you just do console.log get board by ID? Not here, not here. In a new line. Also semicolon.
Come on. Invalid left-hand side in assignment index.html51. Invalid.
Can you do console.log above this? Just to see what we're getting with that thingy. Oh,
Invalid, so ignore that. No, that one has to work in a proper way. Right.
come back to it
Let's just
tomorrow.
come back to it tomorrow. What I'm gonna do is just push this code right now.
Honestly, if we all get time, let's just watch some videos and try doing it at our own time. Just solve it tomorrow in the stream.
Yeah. Okay, add menu there. This one I added cool, and then this one cool. So all of them have to go. Trying to display that board in front of you and this. And display in HTML. All right, which one is my one? This one. Yeah, here we go. Right, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. As always, it's really good to have you all on board as well. As in, always an entertainment and fun chat with being productive too. So, thank you. And being a great session can finish. Been learning a lot of stuff. Is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
For sure.
Fantastic. I love that. All right, guys. If you want to see how we solve this problem tomorrow, it's looking very promising. So tune in. Same time,
Same place.
Same task.
There we go. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you
Good
back
night.
tomorrow. Cheers.
Cheers.
See you guys.